Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix the can't insert new cells error in Microsoft Excel. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To fix this error, all we should need to do is check that the rows or columns at the bottom or right of the worksheet are not formatted in any way. For this example we'll use the bottom rows, but if you're trying to insert columns then you can still follow the method. Navigate to the very bottom or right of the worksheet. You can use the keyboard shortcut of Control and then the arrow keys to get here faster. And then it's probably a good idea to check along the bottom few rows to see if there's any data in here that you need to keep. If there is, you can select these entire rows or columns by clicking on the row number at the very left or top of the screen and then copy and paste them elsewhere. Once you're happy there's nothing you need to keep on these last few rows or columns, you can select them using the same method as before, and then right click and choose Clear Contents, and now test out to see if this worked. If not, try manually removing any formatting or data from them. Once these formatted rows or columns have been removed at the bottom edge or right edge of the worksheet, you should now be able to insert new rows or columns without the error appearing. That's how to fix the can't insert new cells error in Microsoft Excel. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.